So time for an example here, example 1. And basically in this example, we've got a list that has the numbers 1, 13, 24, 32, and so on and so forth. And basically we're going to try and use the binary search to find the number 76. And remember, the binary search works by this idea of basically splitting the list in two, and then you're going to compare the number that you're trying to find against the middle item, and you're going to cut off the half that doesn't lie in accordingly, and so on. So what we're going to do here first of all is find the middle item, and we're going to use this low plus high floor division 2. And this is really important that we understand what's going on here with floor division. So floor division, here's a couple of just very simple examples. So in the first one, we've got 0 plus 4 is 4, floor division 2, and we get an answer of 2. So when you get a just a normal kind of division, 8 floor division 2 give you 4, whatever the case may be, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 4 floor division 2 is 2 also, but this is where it differs. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 divided by 2 normally would give you 2.5, but when you do the floor division of it, you get the whole number part, which is the 2 part. So I try and think of this example. Imagine here you've got the floor is 2, the ceiling is 3, 2.85 lies in the middle, but you're going to take the floor part, which is the 2. So 5 floor division 2 gives you 2. Another example here, this is just normal, 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 divided by 2 normally would give you 3, and that is the same in floor division because you're already a whole number answer. 0 plus 7 divided by 2 normally would be 3.5, but 7 floor division 2 gives you 3, as you will see here now in the answer. Yeah, and then you've got 0 plus 8 is 8. Floor division 2 is just normally 4. That's fine, no bother. And here's another couple of examples. So it doesn't always have to be 0 at the start. You could have 8 plus 14 is 22. And floor division 2. So 22 divided by 2 normally is 11. And same thing for floor division. No bother there because it's already a whole number answer. But where it does differ big time is 8 plus 15 is 23. Floor division 2 is 11.5, divide by 2 is 11.5, but the floor division, if you're doing that with 2, gives you 11. So there's an idea of floor division, and I'll see you in the next video to continue on our kind of algorithm.